Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and in this short tutorial we will model this egg in AutoCAD. I am using AutoCAD 2018, and if you are using a below version of AutoCAD or a future version of AutoCAD, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's go to AutoCAD. First of all, I'll go to here, and here I will select new, and I will select this template ACAD and select open. So first of all, click here, and then I will put off these grids. Okay, we will model this egg using the revolve command. So I will sketch the half part and then half part will be revolved. So let's go to here circle command, and I will make one circle having dimension, let's say 5 units. Okay, another circle. I will take this quadrant as center point, and I will make one circle, let's say like this. Also, I will make another circle. This time I will take center point as this one, this quadrant, and I will make one circle like this. I will add a line, let's say up to here. Okay, so basically I need this profile only from this point to this point, and the unnecessary part will be trimmed. So let's select trim tool. First I will select the whole sketch, press enter key. I will delete this part, I will delete this part, and I will delete all the unnecessary part. I will only keep this part, this one, and I will delete this line as well. Okay, now you can see that I have 3 separate entities, this one, and this one. So basically I need to join these 3 entities to make a single polyline. So for this I have a command called join. You can use pedit command as well. I will select whole sketch, press enter key, and now you can see that I have a single polyline. Now I will change my workspace from drafting and annotation to 3D modeling. Also I'll go to 3D isometric, and I need a revolve command. So I will check this one, revolve. So it is asking select object to revolve. I will select this object, press enter key, and now it is asking specify the axis. So it is the axis, and I will write 360 degree from my keyboard. Okay, now you can see your 3D model in wireframe. So I will change this from wireframe to, let's say, realistic. Okay, and I will revolve this like this. Let's change the color from, let's say, black to maybe this one. Okay, so that concludes this short exercise. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query related to this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.